So you've got a testimonial on your Namecheap site that's showing the wrong client name, and every time you try to fix it, you're worried you'll mess up the whole layout. I've been there. The good news is you can change that name in about 4 clicks, and the layout stays perfectly intact. Let me walk you through it. We'll open the editor, select the testimonial, highlight the name, and confirm the change. That's it. Let's go. All right, first up, you'll want to open your site in the Namecheap website builder. So go ahead and log into your Namecheap account. Find your site and open it in the editor. You know the drill. It's that dashboard where you see all your pages and sections. Now, this is important because we need to get into the live editing mode where you can actually click on individual elements. So just open that up. Now, here's where we zero in on the problem. On your page, find the testimonial section and click directly on the testimonial that has the wrong client name. Now, you might see a few testimonials lined up, so just pick the one that needs fixing. When you click on it, you should see a little editing toolbar pop up, or the whole testimonial block gets selected with a border around it. This is good. It means the builder knows you want to edit that specific piece. And here's the really important part. Next, click on the highlighted text area. You know, the part where the client's name appears. In the Namecheap builder, that text is usually highlighted or shown as a separate editable field. So click right on that name. When you do, you'll see a text box open up, or the name itself becomes directly editable on the page. This is the trick. You don't need to dig through menus or settings, just click the name itself. Now, type the correct client name directly into that text field. And here's a tip I've learned from doing this a bunch of times. Make sure the spacing and punctuation match the rest of your testimonials. So if the other names have a period at the end or a certain capitalization, keep it consistent. It just keeps the page looking professional. Type in the new name and don't worry about the layout. That won't change. The builder handles the positioning automatically. Once you've got the name typed in, click Continue to save the change. You'll see a button that says Continue or Apply. Just hit that. Now, the editor might take a second to process, and that's totally normal. It's just updating the page behind the scenes. After that, take a look at the page and verify the name appears correctly. Scroll around, make sure the testimonial still looks good with your other content. I always like to double-check that the name is spelled right and that the layout didn't shift. In my experience, it never does, but it's good to confirm. And finally, publish your site to make the change live. Hit that Publish button in the top right corner. It's usually blue. The Namecheap builder will push your update out, and within a minute or two, your visitors will see the correct name. So that's it. From being stuck with the wrong name and worrying about breaking the page, to confidently editing it in under a minute. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It honestly helps more people find these walkthroughs. And if you run into any other Namecheap quirks, drop a comment. I read them, and I've got more tutorials on the way. Thanks for watching.